Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is a pretty simple dinner. I'm putting it together in my large cast iron Dutch oven, throwing her in the oven. It's easy prep. It probably could go for a weeknight wonders because even though it takes longer than 20 minutes in the oven, the prep time is like next to nothing, you know, like 5 minutes. So you can pop her in, put her in the oven, and let her go. It's also a good crock pot dinner, so there's always that too. I'm busy doing some stuff around here today, so this is something I can throw in the oven, and plus I love the taste that the cast iron gives. It just gives such good flavor to roasts and things like that. And today I'm doing a hickory and barbecue marinated tenderloin with some sweet potatoes and carrots. Today's meal has been brought to you by the color orange. Some good stuff. It's fall here, and some of these root veggies are just delicious. So I'll show you how I put her together. Yeah, marinated tenderloin, and I didn't actually marinate that one myself, although I keep my Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce in there all the time to do marinades like this. And I can give you a couple of marinade recipes in the description below. But I actually get these in my local store. They sometimes will have really good meat sales, and they'll do different marinated pork tenderloins like garlic, teriyaki, the barbecue, peppercorn, buy one get one free. So it's always a good deal, and I tend to stock up when we get those. And these really make a nice dinner. So I'm going to brown my tenderloin here on both sides. I'm going to add my root vegetables, and then we're going to pop her in the oven. Flip her over. Get a little color on the other side. While it's doing that, I will throw my carrots in. And I've got some sweet potato. Actually almost disgustingly healthy meal. Not that there's anything wrong with that. As that browns a little bit more, I'm going to add some water. And then we'll pop her in the oven. Like I said, didn't really plan it that way, but today's meal has been brought to you by the color orange. Water, got her seared both sides, and she's ready to go. Well, she's out of the oven, so we'll do the big reveal. Oh, baby. Let's see. Oh, yum, 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 yum. Put this on the plate. Oh man, that smells so good. We've got our sweet potatoes, all nice and tender. Definitely tender. Got some carrots. And you know what comes next. This time, you can see how it turned out. Turned out pretty good. So tender. Oh, good. The marinade, the flavors just go all the way through it. So good. And I love roast carrots. Roasting is probably one of my favorite ways. That and with the green beans, but I love carrots with roast. And some sweet potato with a little butter and salt. One of the few things I use salt on, actually. That is a yummy dinner. I finally got cooler today. Front came through. It's been raining. It's actually now down in the 60s. Feels nice and comfortable. Feels like fall. It's just around the corner. And this is a really nice fall dinner. simple. You saw, I just threw some stuff in the pot and in the Dutch oven, threw it in the oven for about 45 minutes at 350, and came out beautifully, beautifully tender. So nice and moist. So that's a barbecue hickory marinated tenderloin with sweet potatoes and roast carrots. Enjoy. Subscribe and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.